Good morning, everybody. We haven't done Project Exercise update for a while because we've been to Chessington Manual Mayhem all day challenge, and been to.
Hurting my arm.
You still
Honestly, my neck was really sore.
Oh, but yeah, we did that 32 times, I believe we did that, didn't we?
32 times, yeah.
Yeah, so we've done that. And then I went to Blackpool, and just feel like I haven't been here for ages. And today, I'm very interested to what they've done today because I haven't done this for a while, but it could be very soon.
I can hear diggers.
There is actually
It's not
no.
really shocking, is it?
I mean, we keep seeing Europa trucks down the M25 recently. We saw, as we go to Chessington and back, and we saw two in 5 minutes, and they were definitely heading off to Chertsey. But oh my gosh, there's sounds down here. I don't know, but it really has kicked me off this morning. I was like, this could be a good day. Sunshine today, and Fright Night is coming. Well, it must be so close to see something exciting of Project Exodus. How are you feeling about this?
Oh, honestly, every day that goes by, I just get more excited.
Honestly, it's the adrenaline rush.
About these days.
Oh,
I just literally got black and gold on my mind all the time.
yep. And yeah, Fright Night is starting very soon, and I just can't believe we're almost at the end of the season already. So let's have a look and see.
What an exciting close season this will be.
I think this is going to be a great big finale ending to the season. So we're going to show you from my camera what we can see today, but I believe this could be a very exciting update. I don't know yet, but I haven't done this for a while. But I feel like, as it's been a while, let's give you all an update today before the exciting end of the season begins. The supports are on side at the far end. Yes! This is insane. That is, I know it's not the qualities camera I've got, but they are on site at the far end. Come on! We cannot be long! Exodus! Come on! 11 years of waiting for this moment. It's almost time. I actually cannot believe they are, some of them now on site. Come on! Oh my god, it's all happening today. Oh my god. Come on! We're almost there! Come on! Take it up! Put it up! Make me proud! We are getting this ride! Yes! Come on!
Just please don't drop the supports.
No! Look after my beauty!
Each one should have a security guard standing next to it.
Oh my god. Honestly, this is so exciting.
Put one support in today, just for us. And then we'll leave you alone. We promise.
Oh, get out of the way!
All I know is in the station you'll go up steps to get to the platform.
It is moving. Those are the ground pins, they're moving. So the crane has been facing that direction now for about a good 15 minutes plus. It's teasing me, and it's teasing many of you as well. I'm not doing it on purpose, it's not my fault, it's just standing right there. I'm sure they're doing something in that area. I don't really know if it is actually going to vertical today. If it is, wow. But no, we'll just see when we see it in the video one day, but long way to wait yet. But we're so close. It's happening. How are you feeling about this so far today?
Yeah, some exciting stuff going on.
We'll just wad it up now.
More ground pins for the station going in.
Yeah, ground pins, witnessing that was pretty cool on my camera. And that is our Project Exodus update for now. Thank you so much for watching today. Forgot to end the vlog and we were a bit exhausted, but overall, you've seen it now. And thank you, Lewis, for today. And be sure to subscribe to see anything more to come. That is exciting stuff. I'm just going to rest and save energy for the next journey. And, got a busy few days ahead now. See you later, and thank you very much for watching. It's very soon.